unfortunately, I can say that I'm a people pleaser. I have a hard time saying no. When you do a TV show, it is kind of exhausting. As much as I'm grateful, it is exhausting. Who doesn't want to be a Rajkumari?
सब्सक्राइब करें इंडिया फोरम्स हिंदी को और घंटी के निशान को दबाएं ताज़ा खबरों के लिए।
सो बेसिकली मेरी लाइफ में ना कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं कि मुझे टाइम मिले हाँ या ना कहने को भी, और ना कहने में मुझे हमेशा झिझक हुई है. मे इट बी एनीथिंग, मे इट बी आई unfortunately I can say that I'm a people pleaser. I have a hard time saying no. In the industry, when it comes to my work and when it comes to my decision, to take up any show, it has kind of worked out for me because मैं कभी मना नहीं कर पाई, और जो भी shows आए हैं वो it just have worked out in my favor. जो shows नहीं हुए हैं that also have worked out in my favor. So ये जो मेरा शो था, ये मेरी लाइफ में मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. मैं बन्नी जो मैंने शो किया था इससे पहले, उसमें मैं तुलिका का कभी रोल एक्सेप्ट करूँगी या फिर आई वुड गो फॉर इट. I really did not think so because I always thought that I would focus on the lead roles. But then when you do a TV show, it is kind of exhausting. As much as I'm grateful, it is exhausting. I wanted a breather, but I am a person who is addicted to working. I couldn't just not work. So I thought I would take up Bunny and see how it all works, and it's how interconnected. Bunny got over. I got a call from the same production. They called me for a meeting and they were like, we are putting you for another show. और मैंने तो मजाक में मॉक शूट कर दिया था. Because I was like, wow, okay, really cute character, really cool character. Why not? I would enjoy a mock shoot. Why shouldn't I do it? वो एक at least मेरा एक उनके पास ऑडिशन होगा, मेरा एक वीडियो हो जाएगा. That's what my thought process was. I never thought that I would take it, but एकदम से हो गया वो. एकदम से my producer was like, they are very keen on taking me, and I was like, okay, wow. Okay, I can't believe this is happening. I'm taking up another show and I'm going to be Tara Priya. I was so overwhelmed. I was like, okay, do I need another breather? No, thank you very much. I'm good. I want to work day and night. I'm okay. But I don't think I did not take this show up. This show took me. This character chose me. So I don't really have 5 reasons, but the story itself, when you talk about a fictional show, when you just hear that, it's a fictional show, I just got this very feeling of magic. Who doesn't want to be a Rajkumari?